Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you my Jimmy Beans Fright Club box. Ooh, I love the box. It's got all these details all around the sides of it. It is like super cute. So, without further ado, why don't we take a look? The back's plain. Oh, I hit myself with the box. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, there's squishy goodness in the box. Oh my. I'm going to need to read the label. I'm excited. These are available over at Jimmy Beans Wool if you're interested. That's knitted wet, and look how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. It is. Light's blowing it out again. Come on, light. Sometimes I have problems with the light. This is Creepy Crawlers. It is 100% superwash merino, 100 grams, 325 yards. It is hand washed, lay flat to dry, and it is a sport weight. And it is very pretty. I love that. Very Halloween-y. And next in the box is more squishies. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Oh, this is a Malabrigo. Malabrigo Malabrigo Arroyo in the color Purl 10. It is a DK sport weight. It is approximately 300 in... My camera's gonna... Let's do this. There we go. Now if we can read it. It is 335 yards, 100 grams. And of course it is 100% superwash merino. And let's see how bad. It's just too dark. But that's really pretty. Let's bring that up. Oh, there we go. There's the colors. That's beautiful. Oh, I'm going to love this. I'm excited. I'm excited. So, oh, we got a Knitter's Pride crochet hook and Knitter's Pride knitting needles. And the sizes are, not that anybody really cares, but the sizes are, this is a 4mm hook, and this is 3.75 millimeter 16-inch zings. So there we go. So we got a hook and knitting needles. A hook is promising because that could mean that we get to crochet something. Oh, and I have these things that are sealed. And then, oh, okay, these are my codes. So I get to download from Ravelry with my codes. It is a hooded cowl, which is really cool. Or, where is it? That's the crochet pattern. It's a hooded cowl. And for the knitting, it's a knitted hood. So you could do it either in crochet or knitting. And I got free patterns codes, which is cool. And that almost emptied the box. Glad I looked. There's something else in the box. So, let's see what these packets are. I'm curious. Let's take our scissors and cut them. Underneath this. Oh, it's like a little bag. It's a little bag. It's in the bag. Oh, there is something in the bag. This bag contained a Fright Club leather tag that I just threw. I just threw it. And it had a cauldron on it, and it was really cool. And I threw it. That's cool. Way to go, Froggy. And then we have another one. So this box is supposed to contain everything we need, which is super cool. What's this? That's cute. It is the wooden needle gauge. But on the back it says Fright Club. I love that. That's so cool. I really, really love that. There, now I can see it. That's so cool. And that was in the black bag. That's so cool. Alright, let's go with another red bag. I'm going with the smaller bags before I get to the bigger bags. So we'll see. What's in this one? I'm excited. Oh, it looks like a marker. It looks like a marker. If it will lay right. Oh, that's cool. And what's on the other side? It's like a tarot card. That is a knitting marker. Oh, it's an opening and closing marker. So it would work either way. There we go. It's a ring. And it opens and closes. So that's super cool. Let's go with another one. And then I'm going to get to the zigzaggy looking bags. Because these are super fun. This is fun. This is wrapped in plastic. So this is... Oh! We all need some of this. This is soak. And Euclid. So I got both soak and Euclid in a baggie. Which we can always use. We'll wash. Which is great. So that is very useful. Red, orange zigzag. Red. Get your colors right, Frog. Alright. Next one. Let's see. It does include everything you need for your project. And it includes candy. So, that is super cool. And of course, you can't do it without a candy bracelet. So, that's super cute. Didn't expect that. That's cool. And now for the black and white zigzag last bag. Let's see what's in here. It was funny. Okay, let's see. Let's open it up. I bet it is a tape measure. I like the color. Oh, it's puffy. So it's squishy. Yes. It's squishy. But it's got like the crystal ball on it. It's very iridescent. It's very iridescent. And the back says Jimmy Bean's wool. And the front has the crystal ball. And it's a tape measure. And of course, goes right back in. That's so cool. I absolutely love this box. This is super cool. So, tape measure, needle gauge, wool wash, stitch marker, which we definitely could use. The leather label that I just like threw in the floor because I'm not that smart. Yeah. The knitting needles and crochet hook, which are fantastic. Definitely love the yarn. Love knitted, super soft Malabrigo knitted witch, just as soft, super soft. Both a crochet pattern and a knit pattern, and who doesn't love candy? So all in all, a fantastic box. They're still available. You can get the one with the green, with the yarn, or you can get it in the fall colors with the burgundy and the orange. So I will link them in the description box down below. So if you're interested, just go ahead and check them out. In the meantime, please stay. Oh, I'm getting ready to leave, and I didn't show you. When I ordered my Fright box, my Fright Club box, I also ordered some buttons. The camera's gonna like not do them justice. You see them? They are very iridescent and they like glitter. These are by Katrinkles, and they're just so cool, and they are skulls, and I had to have them. So I ordered these when I got my Fright Club box. So I almost forgot to tell you. So in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.